As to my professional background, I'm a CPA with over 40 years of business experience. My industry experience includes Big 8 public accounting, automotive parts manufacturing, consumer and commercial finance, Arby's fast food. In the last 10 years, I've been directly involved with small business consulting at Go Small Biz. I've over the years been a CFO of 3 publicly traded companies, and as far as my direct business ownership goes, I developed a small residential subdivision and was partner and general manager in a Chevrolet dealership. With my broad business experience, I've raised money, I've done financial statements, I've managed human resource departments, so my broad background in business has enabled me to provide information on various topics to our small business membership. We describe our services as general business consulting. The business topics that we cover include start a business, technology, human resources, finance, insurance. There's no limit to the number of questions members can submit by email, over the internet, over our the Go Small Biz website, or by mail or by fax. We do limit our research to 1 hour for each question, but there's no limit to the number of follow-up or new questions that members can submit. For quality control purposes, all of our answers are reviewed by a second consultant. We do have a couple limitations in the scope of our services, and one is timing. Again, we only invest an hour approximately maximum in an answer. And the other is the legal issue. We're not lawyers, but the Go Small Biz website has legal forms for members, and we can find additional forms and documents for our membership. And although we don't answer legal questions, we can often find state and federal regulatory information to provide the members. With a small business membership, there's no question of the value that a small business owner can realize from the membership. I've been with large companies and paid out thousands of dollars a month to lawyers and CPAs for services. A small business owner can't afford those type of resources on a daily, regular basis. What the small business membership gives them is access to some executives experienced in finance and human resources and marketing, technology. It's a fabulous resource, and it's cost justified. And we answer, there's no limit to the number of questions, so a member can ask literally a question a day, a question a week, and we have members that have asked a couple hundred questions during their membership. Well, with tens of thousands of members, we get a wide range of questions. Probably the most common, though, is how do I market my business? Whether you're a new business, existing business trying to expand, or a business fighting the recession, you're always looking for ways to attract more customers, increase your sales and profitability. And of course, today, a website is a common part of a marketing plan, so we get many questions on how do I build my website, how do I market online, and then how do I raise money, how do I write a business plan, how do I recruit and hire good employees. So those are the more common questions. Over the years, we've received many positive comments regarding the timeliness and thoroughness of our answers. As to a couple of specific examples, one member submitted a tax planning question at year end, and we were able to identify asset write-offs and accelerated depreciation write-offs for him that saved him $4,000 in taxes. And his comment was, with this one question, I saved enough money to pay for my membership for 4 years. Another example was a member took an answer we had given to a colleague, and the colleague indicated that to get that type of an answer from a lawyer, CPA, or other business consultant, it would cost a few $1,000s. Another testimonial that we have is we have several members that have asked hundreds of questions. In fact, we have couple members that have asked over 200. And I think the volume of the answers and the longevity of the membership are testimonials to the quality of our services and our answers, but also 200 questions indicates the wide range of topics that we can cover for our membership.